Boy, me find them from me know myself. Are the first me ever feel laugh. Look, I tell you something. This little dirty thinking girl we name Amari. Was she and her friend trying to fool people like people don't know medical sickness and when you're sick, how long it takes to kill your ass. You see? We are tell people that the original front teeth, gold teeth, gun pan teeth, brush teeth, toothpaste, picture nigga face early Sunday morning. Dan gargan blood clot talk of AIDS. Remember you never say me HIV positive, you know. You say me have full-fledged AIDS 10 years now. Which hospital in Jamaica have the type of medication to make a man live with AIDS, not HIV, AIDS for 10 years? Then you little big dirty thinking liar suck wood, suck pussy girl. We are calling, we Amari pay you for call you for make like a publicity scam. Make I tell you something, you're a big dirty liar because why you keep AIDS secret so long? Ninja Man, big superstar Ninja Man, give your daughter AIDS. 10 years now, and that on Amari program you know for blood clot tell people. So what I'm telling you, a radio station and TV station, a blood clot press people in the world, bomber will idiot. You know have sense? Let me tell you something. The hunger AIDS where me have, I know where blood clot call me name. Because when you say that AIDS, when you say that syphilis, when you say that crab louse, when you say that pow, she tap and can't turn up, get up and can't blood clot move. When it's nothing but a little one jar, suck and pit out, drinking, thinking, pillicking, Emma tear up, she dirty blood clot. I know, man. I no dirty thinking, Amari. Let me tell you this. This is what me know about you. You want nice little same girl. A beard, you want blood clot beard. Anyhow you soak in a water for 7 blood clot month and all of them, they muck, they come off of you and go things say a pool you have to go in. And when you're done soaking in a pool, you pull it that black like tar to blood clot. You amount of muck with it on your pussy clot, girl. And that you have to go wash off. You know see you. You know see the type of girl it is. Act to make you in a music for 20. No man in music for 20 want you. Eh? Big dirty girl. Let me tell you this. Pussy. You take up 2 pieces of old 1 jar suck and pit out. Some tear up something. They stop piece of cloth them in a dance hall. Which is L.A. Lewis and Bumbo cloth the boy where they call him Gully Bop. You hear? The disgrace of dance hall. The clown. The drunker of dance hall. You hear? Had them you take up. Had them take up you. You hear? No man we a dancehall artist. No man we a legend of dancehall. No man we stand for nothing in a dancehall. No want a little lacquerous characters and men can and a little income pool like blood clot you. So let me tell you this. You little syphilis front girl. You little gonorrhea front girl. You little girl where chigga run up all over your bumbo clot. Let me tell you this. The young soul you can ramp with and get with your dirty thinking gully back because gully back come out of a gully. But let me tell you something. Me come from country and grow up in a ghetto. And me know the street corners and lane. So dirty thinking girl, you can't talk to me. Your pussy big like Bob Marley funeral. When bumbo clot you to open your foot of darkness under there. Under your pussy a blackout. So me want to know how gully back study. Stomach fi suck your pussy. And that's why me know so that boy they can't come nowhere near me. Because him have drunk your stomach. Me tell you, just to look at the sight of you, it sick me stomach. You sick drunk your stomach much less normal man. Me no know which man would have out of them sense mix up with big dirty thinking pussy you. Go suck your mother girl. And me a ramp with. Anytime you see me at Jamaica, you better can't do what you say you go do, you know. Because you're there past your blood clot boundary. I mean, I go tell you where you go, but make sure you can do what you say you go do. Because me and you girl them where you talk about. You hear? And if you know who you are ramp with in a big pussy girl, let me tell you this. You girl we smell like when Riverton dump blood clot escape and a bun. You smell like when alligator gun boil bust. You smell like 10 days cabbage water. You look like Chicha and a ear pan kiss royalty bump. You look like when thunderclap puss under PHE. Amari and me a ramp with gal. Eh? Big dirty thinking Amari. Make me tell you something. You know see your bounty killer one and my pitney that will never see me get mad yet. But see when I'm mad this year now, pussy it start. You hear? And me a ramp, just get to it, Amari, because you're the biggest disgrace in the world. Because you're putting them a shame of you till they're then dead. Just for that little nasty thing with your sanitary napkin where you take out of show people in the public. You're nothing but a drunker. Yeah? And at the same time, me done with that one, yeah. Me not answer you back, if me continue answer you, me don't make me look like me on your size and you look to get a headway in life. But let me tell you something. You take a headway from gully bap, you're chucking a gully bap, batty whole headway, girl. You know who you are rampant. Look for my foot, let me show you this. Look for that. You see that? And that I want to use and kick you like how me kick World Cup football, pussy hole, me put it on for you this morning. Big dirty thinking, girl. I want to hold you at Jamaica, kick you till your blood clot small and small like twins. Here, I mean a ramp with me a real bad man, solid golden gargan. Look for me. Pussy hole idiot. You know who you are ramp with? Big sodomite gal.